Chapter number 1, Homeostasis, Lecture number 5, Excretion. So, key points are there. Excretion is a process of removal metabolic waste produced during biochemical reactions in the body. The major types of waste are ammonia, urea, and uric acid and creatinine. And herbivores do not excrete urea as much as carnivores because carnivores eat more protein, and nitrogenous waste produced due to breakdown of protein and nucleic acids. Animals which produce ammonia called as ammonotelic, and animals which excrete urea called as ureotelic, and animals which excrete uric acid called as uricotelic. And furthermore, ammonia is highly toxic gaseous waste and highly soluble in water, and ammonia reduces its toxicity in fresh water. Chemically, ammonia is alkaline, means basic, corrosive, and 1 lakh times more toxic than urea, and urea is 1 lakh times less toxic than ammonia. And urea chemical formula CO NH2 whole 2 nitrogen containing liquid waste produced and excreted in the form of urine. Urea also called as carbamide, which is neither acidic nor alkaline and highly soluble in water. Urea is produced in urea cycle, which is also known as Ornithine cycle. And furthermore, uric acid, which is oxidative waste of purines present in nucleic acid, weak acidic, less soluble in water, and uric acid is 10,000 less toxic than ammonia. And excretory waste which contain uric acid appears in thick paste like form, and in humans 75% uric acid is excreted by kidneys and 25% by intestine. So thank you.